Hey guys, it's Gina, and today I'm going to share with you these Przene. I'm not exactly sure if that's how you pronounce it, but these are blue light blocking reading glasses. So this is a 4-pack, which I really love because you get different color options. They are all the same style, but again, you do get multiple color options. And I'm going to try on each of them for you. These are probably my favorite. So first of all, I love this kind of a square cat eye design. You can see me look up closely. It is, I believe, super flattering and doesn't look like your typical reading glasses. Let me share these. This is a clear version, and I will tell you they are super lightweight and they do have spring hinges, which make them really comfortable when you're putting them on and when you're wearing them. They don't feel tight at all on my face. Now for me, these are 1.75 magnification. They come in all sorts of magnifications, but for reading glasses, they do have the blue light, which means they're going to be good if you are working on your computer, working on your phone. So the blue light blocking lenses are great if you are spending a great deal of your time looking at screens. It really does help to reduce your eye strain. This is another one. I believe this is the leopard print. I don't know, maybe this is my favorite, but I love having multiple pairs so I can keep one in my car, I keep one in my office, one by my bed, and one probably in the kitchen. I don't know. I have to have multiple pairs because I can never keep up with them. They are stylish, functional, and what's really cool, this doesn't happen too often, but they actually come with this little keychain that is, let me show you inside. It's a little tiny screwdriver. So if one of the screws happens to come out, they actually already provide you with a little screwdriver. It also comes with a really nice cleaning cloth, so you will have a cloth to wipe them off with. And if you're going to throw them one pair in your bag, like I probably will, it even comes with a little pouch for that. So kudos to the cuisine. Again, I'm not exactly sure how to say it, but kudos to them because I think they have us covered in all areas. Again, there are multiple styles. You can even choose different selections. This is just happens to be the 4-pack, but I chose. I really think this is a solid, good find for reading glasses. You're going to want to check them out. It's definitely a good find.